Jaya Engineering College, approved by AICTE, New Delhi, affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, a Telugu minority institute. The vision of the college is to nurture innovative future leaders in technology, entrepreneurship, and management who create wealth for our nation and develop a fulfilling global society. And the mission is to create a model educational institution contributing to innovation, entrepreneurship, and technology management for the country. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. User is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Aeronautical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Information Technology, Textile Technology, and Mechanical Engineering. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 134 to 180, for BCM 94 to 175, for BC 143 to 177, for MBC 124 to 175, for SC 108 to 151. The facilities are hostel. Jaya family is second to none when it comes to hospitality, with its international standard guest houses and hostels equipped with state-of-art facilities, including high-speed internet, modern mess, reading rooms stocked with more than 200 magazines from all walks of life, and all this in a calm, secure, and impeccably maintained environment. Hostel mess is equipped with modern kitchen equipments and food is prepared hygienically by well qualified and experienced cooks. Nutritious menu is well appreciated by the hostel inmates. Health service: a medical room has been set up for first aid and an ambulance is always available for emergency transport. Fitness center: contemporary facilities for indoor games coupled with gym engages every student to work out, relax, and recharge their mind and body. Library: the library buildings were extended from 5 sections to 12 various sections with discussion rooms, modern furniture, and air conditioning. The new building includes a separate hall for teleconferencing through which current awareness programs and information services today can be disseminated throughout the world. The library transactions are carried out by barcode technology. It has facility of web OPAC online search. So the library catalog can be accessed through intranet in future and through internet. And the other facilities are transport, cafeteria, sports, clubs, hybrid or bridge programs. Placement at Jaya. The recruiters are Ascendant Technologies Chennai, Benchmark Broadcasting Chennai, KLA Tencor India Chennai, Embedded UR Chennai, HCL Infosystems Noida, Honeywell India Bangalore, Huawei Technologies Bangalore, Informatica Hyderabad, Logitech Chennai, Mahindra Satyam Hyderabad, Mindtree Limited Bangalore, Emphasis HP Bangalore, Odessa Tech Bangalore, VeryX Technologies Chennai, Vignani Technologies Coimbatore, Wipro VLSI Design Bangalore, Lanson and Turbo ECC Coimbatore, L&T IDPL Chennai, Mark Constructions Chennai, Rishi Associates Chennai, Saipem India Chennai, Shobha Developers Bangalore, Advanced Clothing Concepts Coimbatore, Coats India Chennai, DY Star India Mumbai, KG Denim Coimbatore, Gokaldas Exports Bangalore, Lakshmi Machine Works Coimbatore, Lakshmi Mills Coimbatore, Madura Coats Madurai, Madura Garments Bangalore, Ashok Leyland Chennai, Blue Star Chennai, Bosch India Bangalore, Brakes India Chennai, Burning Class Chennai, D&H Sacron Mumbai, ELGI Equipments Coimbatore, ETA Ascon India Chennai, Lanson and Turbo Chennai, Lucas TVS Chennai, Mahindra and Mahindra Mumbai, Quest Global India Bangalore, Renault Nissan Chennai, Sundram Clayton Chennai, Sundram Fasteners Chennai, Tokyo Kirloskar Bangalore, Toyota Kirloskar Bangalore, TVS Motors Hosur, and many more. Result comparison from 2013 to 2018: 67% in 2013, 77 in 2014, 72 in 2015, 71 in 2016, 68 in 2017, and 63% in 2018. College counseling code is 1106. The website is www.jec.ac.in. Contact college at 9144 2639 2639 0682 2630 0707. Mail ID is admission@jec.ac.in. College is located in CTH Road, Thirunindravoor, Chennai 602024.